Hello student, today this is module 4 of chapter inverse trigonometric function, and let me continue the properties of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, where x greater than 0, y greater than 0 and xy less than 1. Okay, or this will become, the value of this will become pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, and this will be if x greater than 0, y greater than 0 and xy greater than 1. Okay, and this will be minus pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. If x less than 0, y less than 0 and xy greater than 1. These are three properties. You can see again, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y will be tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy if xy less than 1, multiplication of xy, and pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy if xy greater than 1, and minus pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy if x less than 0, y less than 0 and xy greater than 1. X less than 0 means x negative, y less than 0 means y negative. Okay, now proof. Proof is let tan inverse x be A and tan inverse y be B. Let us consider tan inverse x equal to A and tan inverse y equal to B. From here we will get x equal to tan A, and from here y equal to tan B. Okay, now we will have tan A plus B. This is, we know that tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, or tan A plus B will become, what is tan A? X. And what is tan B? Y. Putting these values here, we will get tan A x plus tan B y upon 1 minus x into y. Okay, or from here we can write A plus B equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, and what is A? A is tan inverse x, and what is B? That is tan inverse y, substituting these values here, we will get a tan inverse x. A is tan inverse x, b is tan inverse y, and this will be equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Therefore, this is the property of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, like this we can have proof of these all properties. Second property, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. If xy greater than minus 1. Okay, and this will be pi plus tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. If x greater than 0, y less than 0, and xy less than minus 1. Okay, and this may be equal to minus pi plus tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy if x less than 0, y greater than 0, and xy less than minus 1. Okay, the proof is same as we have done in previous property in tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. You see the proof. Let tan inverse x be A and tan inverse y be B. From here x equal to tan A and y will become tan B. Now we will have tan A minus B, and this will be tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, and what is the value of tan A? X. What is the value of tan B? Y. Putting these values here, we will get tan A minus B equal to tan A x minus tan B y upon 1 plus xy. Or from here we will have A minus B equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. And what is A? Tan inverse x. And what is B? Tan inverse y. Putting these values, we will have A. A is tan inverse x. And B is tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. And like this, we can have the proof of these properties. Okay, now next property is 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. And this will be equal to 2 tan inverse x will be equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, and 2 tan inverse x will be equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. And this property may be applied if modulus x less than 1, and this property may be applied x greater than or equal to 0. And here x less than 1 and greater than minus 1. Okay. So we have these properties. Now, how we use these properties in doing the questions? Let me discuss some examples based on these properties. Prove that tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 upon 24 will be equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. You will have to prove. Okay. Now first of all we will see this is x and this is y. X and y. Here in this question x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and what is x into y? X into y 2 upon 11 into 7 upon 24. And this will become 14 upon 264. It means this is less than 1, and therefore xy is less than 1, and therefore we will use the property tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, we will use here from this property tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 upon 24 will be equal to tan inverse x plus y, x 2 upon 11 plus y 7 upon 24 upon 1 minus 2 upon 11 into 7 upon 24. Okay, and this, after solving this will become tan inverse LCM 11 into 24. This will become 2 into 24 plus 7 into 11. And here LCM 11 into 24, and this will become 11 into 24 minus 2 into 7. Okay. By solving this, we will have tan inverse this is 48 and plus 77 upon this will be cancelled out 24 into 11 264 and minus 40. Okay, or this will become tan inverse 125 upon 250. 264 minus 40, 250. Okay, or this will become tan inverse 1 by 2. And this is our right hand side. This is our right hand side. And this was our left hand side. Hence proved. So we use the property like this. See some more examples. Tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 equal to 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Prove that tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 equal to 3 pi by 4. Here x greater than 0, y greater than 0. And what is xy? X is 2, y is 3. Xy will become 2 into 3 equal to 6, which is greater than 1. And therefore xy is greater than 1. And hence here we will use the property tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, we will use this property. This property will be used when x greater than 0, y greater than 0 and xy greater than 1. Here this condition is applicable. Okay, now our left hand side is tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. Okay, and we will apply this property here. This will become pi plus tan inverse x plus y. X is 2, y is 3 upon 1 minus 2 into 3. Okay, and this will become pi plus tan inverse 5 upon minus 5, 1 minus 6. Or this will become pi plus tan inverse minus 1. And as we know that tan inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 4. This will become pi minus this value pi by 4. And this will become 4 pi minus pi upon 4. This is 3 pi upon 4. This is the right hand side. We were to prove this. So we will use the properties like this. Now one more example. prove that cot inverse 7 plus cot inverse 8 plus cot inverse 18 is equal to cot inverse 3. Okay, here we can convert cot into 10. We can write cot inverse 7 as tan inverse 1 upon 7. Cot inverse 8 may be written tan inverse 1 upon 8, and this will be tan inverse 1 upon 18. Okay, and now we will use the property, because here three terms are given. First of all, we will use the property within two terms, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, and because x into y is less than 1, therefore here we will use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, and so this will become tan inverse 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 8 upon 1 minus 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 8, and plus tan inverse 1 upon 18. Okay, this will become tan inverse. Okay. Now we will have tan inverse 56. Okay, 8 plus 7 upon 56. 56 minus 1 plus tan inverse 1 upon 18, or this will become tan inverse 15 upon, this cancel, 55 plus tan inverse 1 upon 18, or this will become tan inverse 3 upon 11. 3 upon 11. This will cancel out by 5 plus tan inverse 1 upon 18. Okay. Now we will apply the property again, and this will be tan inverse 3 upon 11 plus 1 upon 18 upon 1 minus 3 upon 11 into 1 upon 18. Okay, or this will become tan inverse 11 into 18 3 into 18 plus 11 upon 11 into 18, 11 into 18 minus 3. This will be cancelled, and this will become tan inverse 104 minus 11. This will be 18 into 3, 54 minus 11 upon 198 minus 3. Not minus, this is plus. Okay. Now this will become tan inverse 54 plus 11 as 65 upon 198 minus 3, 195. 195. Or this will become tan inverse 1 upon 3. Or this will become cot inverse 3. and that is our right hand side. Hence, we have proved. Okay. See one more question. Prove that 2 tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 equal to tan inverse 31 upon 17. As we know that 2 tan inverse x. What is 2 tan inverse x? This is tan 2x upon tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay. First of all, we will convert this to tan inverse x into tan inverse x. Okay. This will become tan inverse 2x, x is 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 square. Okay. Plus tan inverse 1 by 7, or this will become tan inverse 1, this cancel, upon 1 minus 1 upon 4 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7, or this will become tan inverse 1 upon 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7, or this will become tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Okay, and now we will use here the property tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, and this will become tan inverse x plus y, 4 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7 upon 1 minus 4 upon 3 into 1 upon 7, or this will become tan inverse 7 3 21, 7 into 4 28 minus 3, sorry, plus 3 upon 21 minus 4, or this will become tan inverse 28 plus 3 31, this cancel, upon 21 minus 4 17, and this is our right hand side, hence proof. Like this we can use these properties. Okay, this equation we will have to find out the value of x. See how tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to pi by 4 is tan inverse 1. Okay, or we can write this tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 equal to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2. And now we will apply here the property tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. This will become tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. This will become tan inverse x minus y. 1 minus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 upon 1 plus x into y. 1 into x plus 1 upon x plus 2, or this will become tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 equal to tan inverse, this will become x plus 2 LCM, x plus 2 minus x minus 1, okay, and here x plus 2, x plus 2 plus x plus 1, okay. This will become tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 equal to tan inverse x plus 2 cancel, this will become x cancel, 2 minus 1, 1 upon x plus x, 2x plus 3. This is our equation. From here we will have x minus 1 upon x minus 2 equal to 1 upon 2x plus 3, okay. And now we will solve this equation. How we will solve this equation? By using cross multiplication method. X minus 1 2x plus 3 equal to x minus 2 by cross multiplication. From here we will have 2x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 3 minus x plus 2 equal to 0, or we will get the equation 2x square minus x minus 2x minus 3x and plus 3x 0, 2x square plus minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1 equal to 0, okay. From here we will get 2x square equal to 1, or x square equal to 1 by 2, or x will become plus minus 1 by 2. This is the solution of this equation. Like this you can use the properties in questions, okay.